Hello everyone, let's try to solve this question together. So a 22-hour-old female infant underwent a critical congenital heart disease screen in the newborn nursery. The pulse oximetry readings on the right hand is showing 99 and the right foot is showing 91. The infant's vital signs are given. There was no radiofemoral delay and no cyanosis was noted. Hemoglobin is 14. The most likely reason for the difference in the saturation is, pause the slide, take a look. Okay, the correct response here is left to right shunt. So why the others are not the right answers? So for example, let's start with hypoplastic left. Hypoplastic left heart should give some sort of radiofemoral delay to manifest it. What about left to right? I will explain in the next slide the difference between left to right and right to left intracardiac and extracardiac shunt. So just bear with me. And the right ventricular outflow obstruction will give cyanosis, and there is no cyanosis. So that's why A and D are out. And now let's talk about the right to left and left to right, extracardiac and intercardiac. So this is an easy way to remember. So left to right, intercardiac means that the blood is going from the oxygenated side. So this is the oxygenated side. The blood is coming back from lungs. So if the shunt happen in this direction, it will not cause any problems in terms of cyanosis, because the oxygenated blood is mixing with the deoxygenated blood, as compared to the extracardiac right to left shunt, where the deoxygenated blood is coming to the oxygenated side. So that's why, and especially in aorta, distal to PDA, you will have a low saturation, which was seen in this case. So remember that whenever there's a shunt, so what happened, that the heart pumps, the blood comes, the deoxygenated blood comes here from right to left and then goes into the aorta. And then when the probe is attached either to the left limb or the right limb, it's a foot, you will have a deoxygenated blood here and showing low saturations. So I hope this small presentation help you understanding why there is a little bit of fluctuation in the right arm saturation and all other three limbs. The idea is, and this baby is not even 24-hour old. So that's why we don't usually repeat or do the congenital heart screen in first 24 hours. And it should be repeated. And another point to remember, the difference has to be 3% and above. And in this case, it was more than 3%. So that was significant, and baby failed the CCHD and it has to be repeated. If you have a repeat one also, baby failed, then echo should be done to rule out congenital heart diseases. I hope this makes sense and you guys have learned something together today. You guys have a wonderful day. Bye.